Buck has broken out his puppy to start off the show here in a desperate effort to win favor. Maybe also not going to add our ratings in Kristi Noem's department there, which we're going to have to talk about the dog shooting that has potentially knocked her out of vice presidential running. I mean, this is I can't believe this is a real story. Buck, Ginger, not a fan, fair to say, of Kristi Noem.
Was not going to vote for her anyway, but definitely not a fan now.